Traditional non-stick pans are one of the most troublesome hassles you'll find in your kitchen. From uneven heating, short lifespans, eventual sticking, to harmful chemicals, the list goes on. But we can't deny, a non-stick pan is pretty much an essential for every kitchen and household. Which is why we wanted to create a better, safer, and natural pan. Introducing the Woky Pan Plus, the newest innovation from the creators of the award-winning Woky Pan version 1. Unlike traditional non-stick pans, ours is forged with aerospace-grade aluminum that is polished, smoothed, and meticulously seasoned, making it naturally non-stick without any artificial coating. Designed for culinary ease, the Woky Pan Plus features an ergonomic silicone handle for comfortable maneuvering, and an upright pan lid that can stand on its own. With durability and weight perfect for any kitchen environment, the innovative pan base ensures rapid and even heat distribution, saving you precious time and energy in the kitchen. Made in Taiwan and forged with 30 years of manufacturing experience and a history of excellent products, the Woky Pan version 1 is the highest-grossing natural non-stick pan in Taiwan, and has been recognized by the prestigious Red Dot Product Design Award from Germany. And now, building upon the success of the Woky Pan version 1, we're excited to introduce the Woky Pan Plus, a newer version with upgrades and extra add-ons exclusive on Kickstarter. So, what are you waiting for? Back us now on Kickstarter and be among the first to experience the next evolution in non-stick cooking with the Woky Pan Plus.